One of the many benefits of interacting with traders on a daily basis is the opportunity to see which markets are really showing the best results. And without fail, I continue to see that the highest success rate is with the stock options traders. Now, many traders are intimidated by the options market. They view options as advanced products, and they really don't want to mess with that. The fact is that options are not as difficult as you may think. When you dive in more detail, you will see that options provide all of the great features of markets like Forex and futures, and a whole lot more. Stock options are the most flexible financial products available, hands down. So let's walk through a few basic steps that you can take that will get you trading options pretty quickly. Step 1, trading system. If you talk to any successful trader, you'll find that they have a detailed system in place that they follow on every trade. Trading options, it's no different. You have to have a system in place telling you when to get in, when to get out. Now, there are a ton of trading systems available in the marketplace right now that claim to give you an edge. Well, the big key here is you really want to have a system that prints your entry and exit points right on the charts for you. You don't want a system that requires a lot of discretionary decisions to be made. You also want to use a system that works on all stocks and ETFs. You don't want to be limited to only a few products. Markets change, and you want a system that can adjust to these changes pretty quickly. This is the only way that you can stay disciplined to your system. Now, one of my favorite setups is part of the NetPicks Options Mastery Program. It's our reversal setup, and it takes advantage of the market extremes. And I want to share this setup with you free of charge. And this will give you a chance to see what it looks like to use a system that gives you clear entries and clear exits in real time. Number 2. Learn the options basics. Look, traders can be intimidated by options when they start to hear about pricing models, the Greeks, and strategies like iron condors and butterfly. While these topics can be beneficial, it's not necessary to master these advanced topics before you get involved with options. Starting out with basic bullish and bearish strategies is a great starting point. With our options mastery reversal setup, you will see clear long and short setups. Sticking with the basics, we'll talk about buying calls or call spreads to play a long setup and buying puts or put spreads when playing a short setup. This will allow you to take trades on stocks and ETFs for as little as a few $100s. This leverage will open doors for the retail trader to look at stocks and ETFs of all prices. Number 3, use an options platform broker that will help you select the best options. Now, there are dozens of potential options brokers out there that will allow you to place options trades pretty quickly, but they're not all created equal. You want to use a broker that'll give you the tools that'll help you place the best trades. My favorite broker platform to use is Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. The platform does not charge platform or data fees, and it provides tools to help you quickly identify the best options to trade, and that is a huge selling point. When you combine the Options Mastery Reversal System with a Thinkorswim platform, you will be able to take trades in a matter of minutes. I can identify and take my options trades in 20 minutes a day. This allows me to move on with my day to get to other things. Step 4, establish a watch list of stocks ETFs. The biggest mistake that traders make is jumping around between different stocks and ETFs on a daily or a weekly basis. This will lead to chasing performance and very inconsistent results. I like to take the opposite approach by looking at the same small list of products day in and day out. This allows me to get to know the products that I trade. Stocks and ETFs each have their own personality, which means getting to know these personalities, and that allows you to trade them with more confidence. Get a good mix of stocks, ETFs on my watch list. My list includes some of the most liquid option markets available. Look, I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel with my trading. I'm trying to trade the most liquid names with basic option strategies. And here is my favorite 10 symbols. As a result of using these, I've been able to grow my account consistently over the past 10 years. Step 5, you have to continue to expand your options knowledge. We talk about sticking with the basics initially with your options trading by using the basic call and put strategies. The nice part about options is if this is as far as you want to go, you can be very successful with your trading. However, we mentioned earlier that options are the most flexible products in the world. As you start to master the basics, then you can start to move on to other option strategies that allow you to profit in all types of market conditions. You can use option strategies like iron condors and butterflies to profit in sideways markets when most traders are pulling their hair out. This is a great point to reach because you can focus all of your attention on trading the same product regardless of what the market is doing. Option markets continue to gain in popularity. It's a huge selling point given that volumes in many other markets continue to fall off of a cliff. When polling traders that attend our educational webinars, we see that the highest success rate is with options traders. If you're someone that wants to focus on these areas that give you the highest odds of success, then you need to get involved in the option market. Start slow and then ramp it up. Take advantage of the free Options Mastery Reversal System here and start learning how we trade options at NetPicks. Do this and you'll be well on your way to becoming a profitable options trader.